Hello beautiful people, let me show you how to make this simple and quick banana muffin with your overripe banana. If you are a new subscriber to my channel, a warm welcome, and to my returning subscriber, I love you all. Let me introduce you to the list of the ingredients I'll be using. I have some bananas and these are overripe bananas. I have my flour, I've saved it already. I have my sugar, some eggs, salt. I have my vanilla and cinnamon powder. I have baking soda, baking powder. I'll also be using some coconut flakes and chocolate chips, and alongside with some vegetable oil. First thing is to peel your bananas and drop it in your mixing bowl. Once that is done, the next thing is to get your masher and use it to mash your banana until it is well smooth. You mash your banana to this texture. That's fine. So the next thing I'll be adding now is my egg. So I'm just going to crack in my egg one after the other. After adding my egg, the next thing for me is to mix this together. After giving this a quick mix together, the next thing I'm going to add now is my vegetable oil. So once I add my vegetable oil, I'm going to mix everything together. The next thing I'm adding now is my flavor. So I will mix everything. To this point, I'm going to add my sugar, then I'll continue mixing everything together. After mixing everything together to this smooth point, the next thing you want to do now is to sieve in all your dry ingredients. So I add my flour and my baking powder alongside my baking soda. Then I sieve in into my wet ingredients. After adding my dry ingredients, the next thing now I want to fold it in. And at this point, you don't over mix your cake batter. So you mix it in gradually. So what I add in now is my salt and my cinnamon powder. The full list of all the ingredients I use and measurements will be in the description box below. Please check. So the next thing I'm adding now is my chocolate chips and coconut flakes. So then I fold that in. Once this is done, I'm going to get my muffin pan and my muffin liner. And if you don't have this muffin pan, you can use your regular baking pan to bake it as well. And if you watch this video up to this level, I want to say a very big thank you. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because on this channel I share amazing recipe that you are definitely going to love. And once you subscribe, please turn on your notification bell so that when I drop a new video, you will be notified. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. I believe before getting to this point, you have preheated your oven. And always remember that whenever you are baking, the first thing first to do is to preheat your oven first. So this is my batter, and I'll be adding the remaining coconut flakes and also the chocolate chips on top of the batter. So I'm going to put this in the oven and bake for about 30 minutes. And guys, this is what we have. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Try this for your kids because they are definitely going to love this. And can you see how lovely and how fluffy the banana muffin came out? Can you see that? So guys, till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Thank you guys. Bye bye.